hold that one down. So it's not very loud. Hey guys, Brad here with Skyline Construction, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing on a new tool. It's by LiTHELi. I'm not familiar with this brand at all. They contacted me and wanted me to do a review on some of their gardening tools. So I said, sure, why not? I'll take a look at them. It's going to be an honest review. For now, it's just mostly an unboxing. We're going to take a look at what we get. And once summer hits and we get some bushes growing, then I'll go outside and I'll cut down some hedges. So let's take a look at this. It is, like I said, LiTHELi. And we got this in the mail. It is a 40-volt lithium-ion hedge trimmer. All right. Oh, my cameraman's just falling around here. Get it together, cameraman. It's pretty light, so let's take a look at what we've got here. So here's the hedge trimmer. Got some boxes. This one's empty. Instruction manuals. We'll get rid of this. Here's the battery. Pretty big battery. So it's 40 volt, 2.5 amp hours. And looks like we've got a full charge. That's to take the battery out. This must be the charger. So yeah, here's the charger. Clips in pretty good. Looks like it's fan cooled. So far, you know, quality looks all right. I'll plug this thing in and just see how it sounds. Okay, so we've got a green operating light here. I'm going to plug it in. Yeah, it's pretty quiet. So I read a little bit about it beforehand, and it said when you have the 4 lights on the battery, you, if they're all illuminated, then you've got more than 80% battery charge on here. I always love it when batteries have the lights on them as opposed to not. There's some tools out there where you have to put the battery into the tool itself, and that's the only way you can tell if the battery has a charge or not. So a lot of the guys, or I should say companies, are doing this. They have their batteries illuminated so you can tell if they're charged or not. All right. So let's take a look at the unit itself. It's got a hard case over the blades. Not too bad. So it looks like it's just a safety switch. And then, yeah, I read that you can adjust the handle too. So there's a button on top here. That's kind of cool. So you can pivot it. I guess if you want to hold it like this. And this switch runs around the whole entire handle. So you can cut your hedges, you know, sideways. That's pretty cool. I'm not huge into cutting hedges myself. I haven't done a lot of it, but I guess growing up as a kid, my parents had a hedge, and that was my job to trim it all the time. So it would have been great having this way back when, before lithium-ion batteries, that's for sure. But we always ran a corded version. So battery goes in the bottom here. Clips in nicely. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm guessing. Okay, so this has 3 buttons you have to press. Number 1 is this right here. This unlocks this trigger here. Okay, so I'll press it with my thumb. Now I can press this trigger. Then I press the one up front, and that's what turns it on. So I only have to hold down this main trigger underneath. I don't have to hold the 2 down at the same time. So you just unlock, press this, and then you're good to go. Then you cannot pivot the handle with the trigger depressed. So you have to let go, turn the handle, and then hold that one down. So it's not very loud. It's not loud at all. The blades look pretty sharp. Yeah, they feel sharp. So it should be interesting to get this out in the field and cut down some hedges. Like I said, it's the LiTHELi 40 volt lithium ion hedge trimmer. And they just gave this to me to try. So as soon as we get some hedges, like I said, we'll get out there, we'll cut some down, and we'll post another video and take a good look at how this thing operates. I think they're going to be sending us a couple more items too, so I'm pretty stoked to check those out. And yeah, see how this line holds up against all the other big boys out there. All right, guys, so if you like the review, if you know about this product, I'd love to hear some comments because this is brand new to me, never seen it. So yeah, please leave some comments down below. Make sure you hit that notify bell, subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Till next time, keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.